Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're going to show you a really cool way to create your own molding for a doorway where you don't want something that's bulky and giant like that traditional T-molding or reducer. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright, so this is what we got. We've taken a piece of the same vinyl floor that we're working with, and what we've done is just 45'd it. We've mitered it, just basically cut it back both directions, so it's basically the shape of a triangle or a pyramid. That way one side will sit on the floor and the other side will sit up against the edge of the floor. Here's what we have. We've cut our vinyl in a perfectly straight line. No boards are jetting out. They're all exactly even. We're going to take our piece and just butt it right up against it. Just like that. And that's all we're going to do. We're just going to butt it up against it, and then we're going to use a matching silicone to really glue it and seal it in so it blends in perfectly. Wow, I think the client's going to love it, and that's what we call a custom doorway. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out all of our other vinyl videos, wood videos, and much, much more. We could use your help. YouTube doesn't promote us as much as they should, so please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching.